All right, I'm excited to show you my new hunting trail camera that I got for my property. I'm going to end up setting it up out here. I do have a little bit of woods around my house, but I'm going to do a little test of it. And later on, you'll be able to see the video, the wildlife that I capture, hopefully during the night tonight. So I just wanted to kind of talk a little bit about this, just kind of what I'm impressed with. Quality-wise, really happy with and excellent. It was real easy and packaged well to put together. They had protective tape over the front port pieces here. There are two low glow LED infrared lights that are set up on this, as you can see here. Really nice camera. It'll do 3 megapixel for the camera portion and does 1080p for the video. You can see the motion sensor here as well. As you kind of get into it and open it up, it kind of shows more of the inside. You have your video. I'm going to go ahead and hit that to get it started in the setup mode here. You're able to go through and do all your different setups through this. You can also do this through the app, which is easily found through these QR codes you can get to here as well. And it's got great descriptions and instructions all the way through. It shows here, one of the main reasons why I went with this, it shows is that it is 4G LTE, which is incredible. So I can set this out far on my property. I don't have to worry about trying to have a Wi-Fi signal or having to come out and check it all the time. I can get live updates from my phone, and I can download them from my phone as well, the videos and pictures, which is absolutely incredible. They have a great promotional start for the package. It is one of the reasons why I chose to try this camera out first, was because the pricing was so much better than all the other ones that I had seen on there, and I didn't want to pay a ton of money just for to have that service. But so I was really happy with that, and so far love the connection, and it is a nice strong connection as well. Once again, you can go through here to get to your pictures and your videos. Easily go through and watch them as you get in. I don't have any on here yet because I'm getting ready to go set this up outside right now. I can hear it going back and forth between night mode and day mode. You can kind of see it on my hand as it goes. But there are a lot of great functions within this. It talks about your cellular. There's the app connect, mode, timers. You can do your different resolutions through here as well. Photo bursts. There's even a test that I already tested the motion in here. So really, really happy with that. You also have the infrared light distance you can kind of do. So there's tons of settings within this that you're capable and able to do. Coming back up to this camera, it's got a 120-degree viewing angle, which is really nice. And then it's got more of the capture zone kind of in the middle as well. It goes out up to 65 feet, so that was something that I was trying to test out to make sure I was going to have the right angles of where I wanted it to be. So I'm really happy with the quality of this. It's got a battery compartment here in the back. They even thought about this kind of hard to get to, so they gave you a string that you're able to pop to get to the battery. It's 8 AA batteries is what it holds here in the back. It's got a really nice sealing rubber system that goes all the way around. So as you, go ahead and shut this off before I go further. So it has a really nice clamping system here on the side. Works really well. On the bottom, it is also set up that it comes with, you're able to do a tripod system. And it basically looks like this here, and it comes with mounting screws that you can screw into, especially if you have a wood hide setup or anything along those lines you can use. And it's all adjustable and move at different angles as you need be. Also within this, trying to show you too. It has, let me go back inside. The SIM card is already built into it. So you already have your SIM card, it's already built within. It's got USB that you can connect to the computer to transfer if you need to, but like I said, you can also do it from into your phone. And then you can also put an SD card in here as well. So that was one of the features too. I put an SD card in there. As well for that portion. Here is that mount that I talked about for you able to use, and on the back it has these nice thick plastic straps or place for the hold a strap. So you run this strap through and you can wrap around your tree. Really like this buckle system. That kind of set it off a little bit different from the others. It is a nice metal solid buckle system that hold and grasp with good teeth that are on it as well. And then you have your nice antenna through the top. It just screws on, and then it's also flexible depending on where you want for your signal. So that is the main piece that you're going to focus on, that like I said, I loved all the capabilities and qualities of that. But something that I personally wanted to add to it was I wanted to get a solar, be able to conserve my energy and my battery, especially I can leave it out there 365 days a year and not have to worry about it. It's IPC6 waterproof, and it means it's basically held in and compacted in, so that's one of the bonus features of it. It also comes with the same mount that this comes with here, that you can set up on the back, and it does have places for straps as well. And it just easily plugs in, and you have that activated, so you don't have to worry about it going off the batteries. It does come with USB-C cable, and like I said, it does come with the anchors and the screws, just in case you need those for it as well. I'm going to get it set up, and we'll get a couple videos, so keep watching. You can see how good the quality is. Okay, I just wanted to show the setup that I mainly had. I made it kind of simple just for my testing purposes to make sure everything's going to work how I plan it to be for it. I just basically had used it strapped to the tree here. I also used the back portion of the same strap. I'm able to still get sun throughout this side here. Now when I set it up on my property, I'm going to use more of that permanent setup with that mount, because I really do like the adjustable mount. But I kind of just tucked all of that in there for right now, just like I said, so I could test it for tonight. That is where the solar will plug in here on the bottom. It's got a rubber boot that kind of protects over it as well. And so this is kind of where I'm shooting from to see what's coming out. There is a creek that kind of sits back through there, so we'll see what we can catch.